Beneath the surface of the Earth, gold lies hidden within ordinary rock, patiently waiting to be discovered. For millennia, humans have been captivated by this precious metal, not merely for its lustrous beauty, but for its symbolic value, its rarity, and its transformative journey from ore to pure 24-karat perfection. Today, in the heart of a modern gold refining plant, we gain an unprecedented view into that journey, where raw mining ore is meticulously processed, purified, and ultimately shaped into flawless gold bars. This is the story of transformation, precision, and industrial ingenuity. The journey begins where it all starts, the extraction of gold-bearing rock. Mines, often deep below the Earth's surface, yield ore that contains only a fraction of gold amid a matrix of other minerals and rock. This ore, seemingly ordinary at first glance, holds within it the promise of immense value. The rock is carefully transported to the refining plant, where the first phase of transformation begins. Every piece of ore is analyzed and cataloged, ensuring that the refining process is tailored to its specific composition. Modern plants employ a combination of sophisticated sensors and chemical assays to determine the concentration of gold and other metals within each batch, laying the foundation for an efficient and precise refining process. Once the ore arrives, it undergoes an intensive preparation process. Large chunks of rock are crushed into smaller, more manageable pieces using powerful jaw crushers and grinding mills. These machines reduce the ore to fine particles, sometimes no larger than grains of sand. This grinding is essential as it exposes the gold particles embedded within the rock, making them accessible for the subsequent chemical processes. The plant is filled with the rhythmic hum of machinery, a symphony of industrial activity where every motion is designed to coax gold from its rocky prison. The next phase is chemical separation, a critical step in isolating gold from other minerals. Modern gold refining relies on a combination of traditional methods and advanced chemical techniques. Cyanidation, one of the most common methods, involves dissolving gold from the crushed ore using a cyanide solution. The solution selectively binds to gold, allowing it to be separated from less valuable materials. This process requires meticulous control, as even small deviations in concentration, temperature, or pH can affect the efficiency of gold recovery. At the same time, safety protocols are paramount, ensuring that these powerful chemicals are handled in ways that protect workers and the environment. After the gold has been dissolved and separated, the resulting material is often a rich, dark precipitate, a concentrated form of gold but still far from pure. It is here that smelting begins. Smelting is the art of heating the concentrate to extreme temperatures to remove impurities and achieve a more refined metal. In enormous furnaces, gold is combined with fluxes, substances that aid in purifying the metal, and melted down. Impurities, including traces of silver, copper, and other metals, rise to the surface as slag, which is carefully removed. The molten gold that remains is far purer, yet the journey towards absolute perfection continues. Advanced refining methods are the next stage, pushing gold purity to its zenith. One of the most precise techniques is the Wohlwill process, an electrolytic method capable of producing gold of 99.99% purity. In this process, impure gold is dissolved in an electrolyte solution and deposited onto cathodes in the form of pure gold sheets. Every crystal of metal is scrutinized, every trace of contamination eliminated. The resulting gold is astonishingly pure, a near-perfect manifestation of the element that has fascinated humanity for centuries. With purity achieved, the gold enters the final stages of physical transformation. It is melted once again, this time in controlled crucibles designed to maintain exact temperatures and prevent oxidation. The molten metal is poured into molds forming bars of precise dimensions. These molds may be small, producing ingots suitable for trade, or larger, creating the iconic 400-ounce gold bars recognized by financial markets around the world. Every bar is monitored to ensure uniformity and consistency, a testament to the refinement of both process and material. After solidification, the bars are removed from their molds and allowed to cool. Once cooled, they undergo surface finishing to remove any imperfections, minor irregularities, or residual oxidation. This stage transforms the bars into gleaming blocks of metal, their surfaces reflecting light as a mirror reflects the world. Each bar is then stamped with critical information: weight, purity, and the refiner's hallmark. This certification not only guarantees authenticity, but also provides a traceable record of origin, essential in a world where gold is both an investment and a globally traded commodity. The journey of gold does not end with stamping. Each bar is meticulously weighed, ensuring exact compliance with international standards. It then undergoes a rigorous inspection, where experts examine every surface for defects, verify purity through advanced spectrometry, and confirm weight to the last gram. Only bars that meet these strict criteria earn the designation of 24K gold, ready to enter the market as a symbol of wealth, security, and craftsmanship. Finally, the gold bars are packaged and prepared for secure storage or transport. Specialized vaults within the refining plant offer state-of-the-art security, employing biometric access, video monitoring, and fortified construction to protect the precious cargo. Each bar is cataloged, tracked, and often insured, reflecting the immense value it represents. From the unassuming rock delivered to the plant to these secure, polished bars, the transformation is complete. A process blending science, engineering, and centuries of metallurgical knowledge into a single, tangible form of wealth. Throughout the refining plant, the environment is both industrial and almost ceremonial. Workers in protective gear monitor furnaces, chemical baths, and casting stations, their movements precise, almost choreographed. Machinery hums and roars, but there is a rhythm to the operation, a careful balance between force and finesse, chemistry and metallurgy, tradition and technology. Every step, from crushing ore to the final polished bar, is an expression of human ingenuity harnessed to unlock the latent value hidden within the earth. But beyond the mechanics, there is a story in each bar. It is a story of geology and time, as the gold was formed billions of years ago in the heart of stars and carried to Earth through cosmic events. It is a story of labor, skill, and careful handling as miners, engineers, and metallurgists guide it through each stage of processing. And it is a story of transformation, turning something as humble as a rock into a universally recognized symbol of wealth, stability, and beauty. Modern refining plants are marvels of industrial engineering, blending traditional metallurgical knowledge with cutting-edge technology. Automated conveyor systems carry ore, crushing machines grind, chemical baths separate, furnaces melt, and electrolytic cells purify, all orchestrated with precision control systems that ensure efficiency, safety, and consistency. Each innovation has been developed to reduce waste, maximize yield, and ensure that every gram of gold is recovered to its fullest potential. Moreover, sustainability has become a guiding principle. Advanced plants implement systems to recycle water used in chemical processes, neutralize harmful residues, and reduce energy consumption. Environmental monitoring ensures that refining does not come at the expense of surrounding ecosystems, demonstrating that even processes dealing with some of the world's most valuable materials can evolve towards responsibility and stewardship. In witnessing this entire journey, one gains a profound appreciation for the gold we often see as jewelry, coins, or bars in banks. It is not merely a shiny object, but the culmination of a complex, carefully orchestrated industrial symphony. From the rugged rock extracted from the earth, through crushing, chemical separation, smelting, electrolysis, casting, finishing, stamping, and secure storage, gold emerges transformed, a pure and precious metal ready to fulfill its place in human culture, commerce, and history. Gold refining is not just an industrial process, it is a narrative of transformation, illustrating the intersection of nature's gifts and human ingenuity. Each step, each machine, each chemical process represents centuries of accumulated knowledge and modern technological advancement. And at the end of this journey, the unassuming rock has become something that has inspired civilizations, shaped economies, and symbolized the highest aspirations of human achievement.
Stepping inside a gold refining plant, one witnesses the alchemy of modern industry, the transformation of ordinary rock into 24-karat gold bars. It is a journey that begins in the earth and ends in perfection, blending science, precision, and artistry. The roar of furnaces, the shimmer of molten metal, the gleam of finished bars, all testify to the extraordinary lengths humanity has gone to unlock the value hidden within nature. This cinematic journey is both technical and mesmerizing, a testament to human curiosity, innovation, and the enduring allure of gold. Whether one is fascinated by industrial engineering, chemical processes, metallurgy, or the simple beauty of precious metals, witnessing how raw rock becomes pure gold offers a rare and enlightening perspective on the material that has captivated humanity for millennia. As the